Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your problem which says setup failed, one or more issues caused the setup to fail. Please fix the issues and then retry setup. For more information, see the log file. So I got fixed for this, and how to do this, let's get started. First you have to open your start menu and then type regedit. Just click on register editor, click on yes, and then it will open register editor. Now you have to click on view and then click on address bar. Once you do this, it will give you an address bar. You have to type in this address: HKey local machine, software policies, Microsoft Windows installer. Make sure you type the exact same as it is. After that, it will bring you to this folder. Just double click on installer, and here you will find disable MSI. Double click on it, it will open this .32-bit file. Make sure the value data is set to 0. If it is not, then you have to set it to 0. After this, click OK and then restart your PC. After that, hopefully your problem solves, and if your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.